day we've all been hyped up about is here. It's Galaxy S24 time. Imagine two cool versions, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and its regular sidekick, the Galaxy S24. The buzz around this release is crazy, heading towards the big reveal at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in January or February 2024. We've heard loads about the S24 Ultra, but the standard S24 has been a secret ninja. But guess what? Thanks to smart pricks and on leaks, we've got a sneak peek featuring mind-blowing 5K images and a super cool 360-degree video. Let's jump right into this epic preview. Samsung's drive to redefine the Galaxy S series with the S24 is nothing short of remarkable. Keeping the front display size consistent at around 6.17 inches, they subtly tweaked the side frames, creating a distinct in-hand experience. The switch to a flat frame design from the curved edges of previous models is a bold move, sparking quite the debate among users about its feel. Here's the exciting bit. A standout change is the introduction of an ultra-wideband antenna on the side, a pioneering move for Samsung. It's like tech magic in your hands, and those bezels. Slim down for that sleek look. Oh, and did we mention a new light blue color option that's caught our eye? Now let's talk dimensions. The S23 was already a sleek design at 146.3 by 70.9 by 7.6 millimeters, but the S24 is expected to up the ante, slightly taller and a tad narrower at around 147 by 70.5 by 7.6 millimeters. The waistline, though, remains on point, maintaining that slender profile we all love. Peering at the back, familiarity reigns supreme as the S24 retains the triple camera setup, each lens making its statement. The rear panel is set to sport a soft matte finish, adding that extra touch of luxury and grip. It's a design evolution that blends the old with the new, and we can't wait to see how it stacks up against its predecessor, the S23. Hold on to your hats. The Galaxy S24 is bringing a 6.1-inch dynamic OLED display that's as flat as it gets, but oh so dynamic. Picture this, a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz for ultra-smooth action, HDR10 plus support for those eye-popping visuals, and Gorilla Glass armor for protection. And when it comes to Samsung and their OLED screens, color accuracy, sharpness, and brightness are off the charts. Your eyes are in for a treat. Beneath that sleek exterior, the S24 is hiding some serious processing power. While they kept the specifics a secret, we're betting on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset for seamless performance. The real powerhouse stuff. Cameras, oh the cameras. Get ready for a triple threat at the back, all decked out with Samsung's tech magic. And fear not, the battery's holding its own at a solid 3900 mAh to 4000 mAh. Just like its predecessor, the trusty Galaxy S23. The S24 is shaping up to be quite the package. So the regular S24 and S24 Plus are rocking this sleek flat frame design, but hold on to your hats because the S24 Ultra is breaking records with the slimmest bezels ever seen. Imagine that. Samsung isn't just stopping there. They tinkered with the aspect ratio on the S24 Ultra, giving it a fresh, flat display look by waving goodbye to those curved edges. In a nifty video, you can actually see how the S23 Ultra shape shifts into the slick S24 Ultra. It's like a tech glow-up in action. Comparing the renders, the S24 Ultra is a whole new level of flat-out cool compared to its older sibling, the S23 Ultra. Samsung's stepping up their game by dialing down the curves, making the S24 Ultra super sleek. Alright folks, we just dish out the latest on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now we're dying to know, what are your thoughts on these exciting leaks? Are you loving the new design? Drop your comments below, we want to hear it all. Thanks a ton for tuning in and we'll catch you in the next one.